Let's see. Getting it all set up. Been a while. Bet. Go to the control room. Cool. All set up now. And then one more thing. As y'all can see, it's been a while since I've been here. I ain't got no, my line was up here last. Good to see we falling. Good to see it's coming down. Let's see. I'm back, YouTube. I'm back. All right, let's see what we got going. Last time I was here, all I was saying was, we buying. Close your eyes and buy. But it seemed like since I've been gone, that gold is starting to correct a little bit, which is good because that means that we got ranges down into here, ranges down into here, ranges down to here. So you're trying to just find these support areas where price can potentially come down to. So, I mean, even from where price is right now, we still got a lot of range down. So we'll see. This candle, which is a daily candle, of course, this candle closed above this support right here. So at any point, this can flip back up. So we do have to be mindful of that. But as y'all know, I am a scalper for the most part. Like, I don't need too much. So I look at the daily and I look at the 4 hour to potentially see what is going on. But at the end of the day, I really start drawing my ranges up based off of the 1 hour and 30-minute support and resistance levels. So I'm gonna delete these blue lines here and then kind of start looking and see where, if we close below blank, we should go to blank. Or if we close above blank, we should go to blank. So I see a support right here, 1 hour time frame. See a support right here. Granted, that is dumb forward from where we are right now. That's 300 pips damn near from where we are right now. So there are moves to be had before then. But you can look to the left and see if we close below there, or if we close below here more so, that we likely will come down into filling this clean range down into there. So let me come up again and drag all my damn lines down. Like I said, it's been a little minute since I've been here, so price is at a different spot right now. So you have that idea, but you also, I already know, I can tell, if you go to the 30-minute, you can see that there is a closer support to take advantage of. Like, it'd be great to wait until all the way down here, but I'd rather not have to wait 300 pips. So I see a support right here that I can take advantage of. And if it closes below this, I do have confidence that it will go down into this next support level right here. So I'm gonna actually use that support. Boom. And then as far as final targets, probably something down into here. So, I mean, pretty simple. Close under there, probably targeting the wick right here. Yeah, bro, these ranges are huge. Like, just that little thing right there is, so it's plenty of range to be had in between these support and resistance levels. And as far as buys, I'd probably be looking for buys above either here or here. Probably here is most safe. So I'm all the way down to 15-minute time frame at this point, trying to find my support and resistance levels. So price is real volatile if you can't tell. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this down, move this to here. And if we get a 15-minute closure, since I didn't get anything on the 8:30 candle, that means now I'm waiting for 8:45 candle. So if I got an 8:45 candle closing below here or above here, then I'd be good to comfortably take it up to here or down into here and beyond, like down into here. So like I said, I changed my support resistance levels based on the closure I'm waiting for. So if it's 8:31 and I'm waiting for an 8:45 candle to close, that means that it'll be the 15-minute candle that's closing. So that being said, I'll go to the 15-minute and draw a support and a resistance. I could use this resistance right here, but that's real close to, it's 40. It's not. It's close. It looks closer than it is. I'll take that back. It looks closer than it is. So we'll see. We'll definitely see. I'll use this for now, but I'll be more comfortable above here. But I also don't want to miss out on 40 pips as well from there to there. So we'll just hang out right here since price is just sitting in a range anyway. Per usual, price is just going up, down, up, down, up, down. So until we break out of this, I'm not doing anything anyway. So no trade range. Nothing going on. Let's see. Got 1 hour candle that's rejecting out of this resistance up here. Got a wick to fill right there. Got 30-minute candle that's at a support right there. Got a 15-minute candle that's coming into a support right there. So price is telling a whole bunch of different stories right now. Just for the good vibes. Appreciate y'all tapping in on YouTube. You can like and subscribe. That'd be much appreciated. I'm at 389 subscribers, so should be at 400 by the end of the week. Should be at 400 by the end of the week. Definitely like, subscribe. right, let's see. 5-minute candles rushing down. Like a closure under at 8:50 or 8:45. No closure, no entry. Rejects. Starts breaking it slow. Might not be a bad entry on the flip up. So I'll see. 1 hour candles, bearish. 4 hour candle is essentially making a top wick come down. So I'm open to both ideas, especially for a quick scout type position. But we see it's rejecting on this support. So in the last 1 minute, it already done pulled up 33. It's just hanging out here. Ain't nothing to do yet. Crazy. Worry. If we want to play that support and resistance game, you could definitely just have buy limits right here. Maybe a stop loss. You'd have to have a stop loss like way down here. But man, it's not a bad little move. Buying off of support. But I'd rather wait on closures. Damn, still at the same amount of subscribers. Y'all watching on YouTube, go ahead and tap in. Go ahead and subscribe. Like I said, I'm at 389, so hopefully we can catch a little 400 by the end of the week. Not asking for too much.
I ain't heard these tones in a minute.
Feel different, huh? Are you in the car? Or are you at the job?
The guy here. I'm gonna go in probably about 10 minutes. So
I wonder if we can get this little closure below 8:45. Trade would be spectacular. Max like 9:05. I'm trying to go into the office. I don't want to be late as hell again. 8.5 million.
You gonna do that holding game plan?
It depends. It depends on the volume. I mean, it's moving so much. Like in reality, I mean, I only be needing 30 pips. But if I do take some at 20, 25, then I gotta hold the rest for 35. You know, not gotta, but like I would like to. We'll see. The way I like to look at it, I mean, in a perfect world, it would just run the fuck down. You know what I'm saying? In a perfect world. Let's see how it closes. It's not like in this little area right here. But if they can get a clear closure below, let me look left. See if there's anything in the way. See, even to the left, there ain't nothing until like down here. So I don't want to force nothing, but I think that this is about to go down. If it breaks this low, I'd rather get a closure than try to force it. 9 seconds, 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3. Yeah. All right, let's see how this opens. See how this opens. There's no wick, no entry. I ain't taking nothing on the break of this low if I don't got a top wick here. But if it can come up here.
There's no wicks, man.
Yeah. Because it can come down and then come up. But
Like lately, you just been giving no wicks. Like
I seen that yesterday when I was looking. I was on the way to closing. I was like, I see these no wick entries. I ain't never gonna force it. Man, come on. And then if it comes up and makes a top wick now and re-breaks the low down here, it just made the range smaller. Now you'd have to take an entry on the break of this low. And that's a little tight. If you're only trying to get 30, trying to go for the exact 30 is a little tight. But what wouldn't be bad now though is if this candle can go ahead and close back in this range. So this candle closed below, this candle closes back up above, and then take it on up into here. But I'm open to both ideas. I have this just as my first initial target. So if this closes below this, it still should go down to fill out this whole support or this whole range right here. I just had this as a first low potential target area probably. But unfortunately, it's looking like 9 now because this range, so much of it's gotten filled. This has been 20 pips already getting filled of the 40 I was going for. So we'll see. I got a feeling this is about to come up and make a top wick. You just don't know if it's gonna go up 5 pips, 25 pips, or 35 pips. So that's why I ain't gonna jump the gun on trying to take an entry if it does break the high, especially with this candle closing below right at a support right here. But I do have a feeling that when this breaks its own high, it's gonna create a top wick, whatever that looks like. Oh man. But it's a lot of range down still. So like I said, don't let this scare you. It was just a potential area that I was looking at. But in reality, I mean, this ain't nothing. On a 15 minute, I was looking at that. But if it does close like this, I need to close, what you say, right here. I don't want it to come down more than 1 more. I want it to close just like this for the next 12 minutes.
That shit sounds so long.
Bro, 12 minutes in this market. Look at these 5-minute candles though. Like from this opening right here, it gave a wake up of about 8 pips and fell 45. Like that's what I be talking about. Like 30 should not be an issue. 25 should not be an issue. I don't know why I'd be acting like that. But if you look at the intricate details of it, yes, it ended up playing like this. But what really happened though? It really wicked down, came up, and then moved. That shit's annoying though, bro. Like, no wick, no entry. A lot of range left though. A lot of range, and the 4-hour candle still open. I mean, it could potentially just be making the top wick come down. So it's a lot of potential for the sales. I just would have liked to have been a part of this rather than having to catch the tail end of it. Like I said, don't be scared like of this. This is something I just identified. In reality, I'd probably put a real support like, and there ain't nothing under this. It closes under like that.
I was looking at this
one. No top. It's okay though. If it closes just like this, that'd be good. I run my brand and shit. You can say the 5 minute. But I'd rather wait. 5-minute closure under here. But if it's gonna reject out of here anyway, I'd rather just wait. I'll wait. Especially this close to the 1-hour close anyway.
Perfect. Go ahead and go in, man. I'm being chat.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm about to probably get dressed for real. Yeah, see, 5 minute didn't even close below this little resistance right here, but it's, I mean, it can keep on coming down though for sure. Like I said, it's still plenty of range though. Down into, I'll say here. So what I'll do is I'll replace this line. So this is the actual target down into like here, and I'll put this blue line for a preference of a closure under here, and then yeah, 45.50. All right, I'll be back. So targets tap perfectly, I see. Let's see what we doing now. And this is an interesting closure because all time frames are closing bearish for the most part. 1 hour about to close bearish, 30-minute about to close bearish, 15-minute about to close bearish. 5's closing bullish after projecting out of this right here. Let's see. Let price do what it do real quick. Make a top quick. Might not be a bad. Yeah, it's not bad. On the top wick, anticipating that when we flip, it's gonna come down. So let's see. I'm gonna have a sell stop on the break of that low after all time frames are closed bearish under the support other than the 15 or no, sorry, other than the 5. Yeah. Make sure everything is connected in my TRADECOPIA. Yep, everything's connected. Now if it just keep pushing up, then obviously I'm gonna delete. Yup. And I'm not surprised this blew up after breaking this damn weak bearish high. But if it re-breaks this low after closing under, making a top wick, should be good. All right now. Oh, shit. So it's spending all this time making the top wick on the new 1 hour opening after closing below. Got nothing in the way until that same support really down there. So I'm gonna get this out the way. That's like 18 pips away, which is fine. I'm not really worried about that considering where we closed. This is annoying. This weak bearish closure. I'll see how this 5-minute candle closes. This stop is getting crazy. Depending on how it looks, I may deleting a little. That's so wild. Why is this being so slow? Roger, Brandon, anybody else? Y'all have been, are y'all's Project X moving slow as well? Every time I switch a time frame, this shit moving slow. Hello, far 5 pips away. May delete. Like every time I switch time frames, it gets slow. Yeah, bro, it's frozen. Let me go and refresh just so they see. I got this thing on a live stream. It's moving slow on me. All right, I'm gonna delete this just because of how far it's ran away. It's up 140 pips since down here, so I'm gonna go ahead and delete that, and I'm gonna see if I can get a closure above here now, I guess. This is crazy though. But once it starts breaking all these highs, it should get going, honestly, upwards. I ain't gonna take no impulse entry on it, but if it breaks these highs, then it should at least fill that wick. Break it up. we'll see. Likely looking like a 9.15 though. This is crazy though, off of 1 5-minute explosion candle. Like 1 5-minute candle, 150 after a 1 hour closure below the range. Like, that's what be killing me about like swing traders and stuff. I'm like, bro, how do you sit in this? I guess your risk is so small comparatively speaking, but damn, bro. You think you got a closure below the range and you over here looking sad with a pullback. 5-minute close below this. Not much of a top wick. And I hate being so damn late to the move because you got to think, granted, if it closes above here, it should just go ahead and get going. And I'm on the 15-minute time frame because I'm waiting on a 9:15 closure. So if it closes above this, it should get going and start breaking this high, these highs. But you just hate that you didn't catch any of this. So you got these 1 hour highs that are right here. Now when it breaks that, I do anticipate that it should maybe pop, which wouldn't be a bad thing. If it can pop and have a clear closure above, that'd be good. But the way it's playing around right now, nah. So for everyone that's just now tuning in from the YouTube and the chat, I was looking at a potential sell as we had a 1 hour candle that closed below, 30-minute candle that closed below, 15-minute candle that closed below. I was looking to have a sell stop, trying to take that sell down into this support, which was found on the 30-minute time frame. So you see how I'm putting all these time frames together. But as of now, I can go ahead and kind of likely move this down because I'm sure this ain't about to flip back down. So if I get a 15-minute closure above this range, yes, I have a resistance right here, but for one, that is 40 pips away, 45 pips away. And for two, yes, it's a 15-minute resistance, but it's really just, and a 15 and 30 resistance, sorry, but it's really just a wick on the 1 hour. So you got to realize all those little supports and resistances on the higher time frames, it's nothing to really be worried about. But right now, unfortunately, we just chilling in a range as we have been doing this whole session. So I couldn't really I wanted to take another trade after I got a 15-minute closure below the range right here, but price gave no top wick. So when it breaks this low without a top wick, it can break it low and come back up and make a top wick while you're in it. I don't want to be sitting in that. So we've been seeing a lot that price has been just falling, fell 95, 99, 100 pips with no top wick. It just fell. A top wick gives you a bit of a stop loss. So like if this would have wicked up to give a stop loss on the flip or the break of this low, it'd have been a good entry to take on down into here, which was the 30-minute support here. But no wick, no entry. If it drives, it drives. So now, got 6 minutes, 41 seconds until a 15-minute closure. Preferably get a closure above this, which is the resistance right here, because we see the last time that it didn't close above, which was all these times. Price rejected, fell, rejected, fell, rejected, fell. So we'll see. We'll definitely see. It piques my interest sometimes, Brandon, on this 5 minute. When you see like a 15-minute rejecting out of resistance, a 5-minute closing bearish like this, you got a candle that like wick straight up, you would think that as it starts breaking like this low, that it would come on down. Honestly, I'd be thinking about that. I don't like basing my whole analysis off of the 5 minute, but like price action wise, it makes a lot of sense because it rejected out of all these resistances. If it closed below, rejects out of all these resistances, 5-minute candle closes bearish down in here. You get a candle that wicks up, breaks this low, it should come on down, into, you know, right here again. Yeah, exactly. Closure right at resistance or close to resistance and falls out. So I'll keep an eye on that for sure. I'll keep an eye on it. Might dip my toe with a little one. Just to, you know, get back in the swing of things. But I prefer a closure above, because it's kind of like a fake out. Like, you look at a 5-minute candle. Okay, so you got another 5 minute that's about to open. This is a big candle. Like, this is a big closure right here on this 5 minute. If this 5 minute starts breaking, like coming down here and closing like this, it might be a good little move to go ahead and take that. Anticipating that the 1 hour still closed below the range. This candle has not broken the high yet. The 4 hour candle is still bearish. Could be just making a top to come down. The 15-minute candles, it is what it is. But every other time frame is really showing like this thing could definitely come down. So I'll see. I get 2 5-minute candles that close bearish out of this resistance. I'll anticipate it to do what it did here and here. We'll see though. I ain't doing nothing until 9:15. And I would need a 15-minute candle to wick up first to give me a bit of a stop loss, because right now you could use this high, like this break of this low and this high, which ain't bad. But I prefer, you don't need to use nothing. But I prefer a candle to wake up first, if that were the move I were to take. So we'll see. 3 minutes, 40 seconds. Nothing's 100% guaranteed, so like, I don't know. Just that's not ideas based on experience. So this 15-minute candle rejects out of not only this resistance, but this resistance as well. And the 5-minute candles go bearish. I would anticipate that we can, with volume, come down into like here and here, where the new support is. Off of, where the last one was right here. We'll see. Like I said, I'll probably go half risk. Just like ones and twos. Just because it's not a move I take often. But I'll treat it as, you know, the same way I would treat if I were trading my normal risk, if that's the move I take. Just because, like I said, first day back after 2 weeks, basically, week and a half. It still can close above, so open to both ideas. You know, y'all know I'm scary, so I see shit like this and I see, it did have a support right there. So is this what's holding it up right now? That's just off the 5 minute, which is the support right here. So we'll see. If it closes above or like too close to near this, then but if it goes like this, maybe 1 minute, 20 seconds. A lot of reasons why this should play out. But once again, no guarantees. I do like the fact that this never broke these highs up here. So it's still respecting So to potentially come down. 30 seconds. Five minutes just broke that low. And support right there. No entry. Let's see. If this were to come down and break this low, I would think that it's going to come down, bro. Honestly. Respects this high, comes down, breaks this low. After they just respect it right here, and I hate that, but let's see. 43 pips. Alright, I'll try a sell stop on the break of that low. Half risk. Just half risk. I'm just going to one lot over here, which is a 2 lot on my other accounts. Anticipating that since we broke, or since we were rejecting out of this support right here, that if we come down and break this low right here, we should come on down. I hate that it pulled back a little bit, but no big deal. Just got a 1 lot running. Just got a 1 lot running. Like I said, the 15 minute is still bullish though. So this could make a bottom wick and come 3, 4, 5 pips and brush right up. Like, there's a chance that this flips, that'd be good. Worst come to worst, way on 930 or closure above or below. Now this is breaking highs again. If this re-breaks this high again, I may delete and wait on 930. But if it rejects out of where it rejected out of that last time, I'll play it. All right, that's getting too much. So I'm deleting this again just because it's becoming too much. I'm talking about on the break of this, that's 73 pips. Like, but now I do anticipate if it breaks this high right now, I do think it's gonna go ahead and go. You just don't have a stop loss, so you'd be technically just using an impulse entry, which is nothing wrong with it. But break of this high right there, after we done tested it one time, when it breaks up here, it should go ahead and go and probably fill here. But it's so close to 930 that whatever it does do, if it leaves a range, it still can go and blast past this, because 930 is the money time anyway. So I got no sell stops, no buy stops. For an idea, if you want, you can set a buy stop on the break of this high right here, anticipating that volume is going to take you on up into this wick right here, into this resistance right here. But nah, I'm not in the impulse entry mood right now. In close. Yeah, bro. This is about, and like I always say, it's moved so much from the bottom already. So it's already moved up 70. You trying to get another 30. It can happen, definitely. So I think the high just broke right there. So paper trade, yep. That's 20. Wicks filled right there. Just with the way it was flirting with it, that's why I was like, it likely is. But man, if this closes above here or here, I'd be elated. And what's so funny is, Brandon, bro, them 10 seconds feel like a million years. Like, it ain't been 10 seconds yet. So at that point, you can't even close none yet. You can't even close nothing yet. You can close now. Can't get giddy while you in there, because They're gonna be like, no, sir. And what's interesting is, another thing that's interesting, if I'm not mistaken, you can't have more than 50% of your profits be from trades under 10 seconds. So that means that most of your trades was under 10 seconds. if you got denied. Because every prop has different rule. But if you have more than 50% of your trades be under 10 seconds, they just like that shit. Your profit. They don't care about none of that. So let's see. Close at 39.40. Looking for. Like I said, if it closes above here now, that'd be amazing. They say close to or over 50. Yeah, like you can have one or two, but if you got a good amount of prop, because you got to think you be trading fours for 30 and shit, like, and 25, like that's 1,200 fast. And if you only got to get 6,000, you hit two or three of those. That's the profit. Right now, all trades must remain open longer than 10 seconds. Occasional minor violations are tolerable, but if close to 50% or more of their total withdrawable profits, blah 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 blah, all profits from those trades will be removed. Bro, they so nasty. They are nasty with that. They are not playing. What are we doing? Came right into this resistance. Break it this high. No stop loss, like I said, though. You ain't got no stop loss. So you just was getting a quick one. This closes like this, or even under here. That. A lot of options of what to do. 7 minutes, 30 seconds. Be back in less than a few minutes. Let's see. Hopefully it can get a closure above here. I don't want it to close right here with a top wick. Filling this wick right here. And good to go. And this would be nice. I need a bottom wick though. I don't know. All right, let's see. Come on, man. Close above. Let's see. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds. It closed right at it. I do like the buy on the break of this high. Trusting that volume is going to take it there. Yep. Damn, there we go. That is a closure right at the resistance, but I'm anticipating that volume, especially with this good ass bottom wick. You should, when you break this previous high, you should get going. Pressing that volume is going to take us through all this stuff, honestly. Big ass stop loss, so be mindful. Know when to cut it if it goes against you too much. But I'm anticipating something good. Let's see. So we got close here, but I didn't get activated. Stops are huge. 64, not terrible in this with these market conditions. But this is what I'm talking about when I say I want a bottom wick. I want a bottom wick that comes down and retest the area it just broke out of. So right there, perfect retest. So if it does break the high now at 930, I'm anticipating that even though we close kind of right at this resistance, I think that with the volume, we should be good to go ahead and go. Let's see. And I think it's gonna go, honestly. Got big profit, 50 pips away. Come on now. Not in on no positions yet. My buy stop is above this high. If we break this high, I'm anticipating that we should come on up. There goes that 5 minute. Play the theme music for when I'm in. 930 is acting a fool though. Come on, 930. This is all fine and dandy. It can make a bigger bottom wick as it wants to. Because I know I'm not sitting in this. So, like you said, like, use at your discretion. You see minus 15, 20, 25, even maybe 30. Yeah, that's the trade. You got to just kind of wear that on the chin. Unless you take, like, trading with a low enough risk to sit minus 86. So I'm prop trading. So I don't really trade that low of risk because I know these accounts, I'm going to take years to try to pass these accounts by using 86 pip stop losses and shit like that. Like, if you're gonna sit in 86 negative, you got to be able to sit in 86 positive as well. So the reason I try to get 20, 25, 30 is because I ain't trying to lose more than 20, 25, 30. So let's see what it does. New candle just opened less than 4 minutes ago. So I'm praying that it just comes on up and breaks this high, but if it keeps re-breaking the low at 930, it's gonna keep on making lows. Come on, man. It should honestly be good up until like here, this resistance. So if you look to the left after we got a closure, it should go ahead and fill this out, especially if we like break through this. But man, it's just very volatile right now. Very volatile right now. Since this opening, it done fell over 100 pips in 2, 3, 4 minutes. So we will certainly see Like I say, y'all know I hate getting in after done bought up so much, but it's all good though. How much is moving? Y'all see how much this is moving? Just from right down there, which y'all just saw at that 10 seconds, that was 45, 50. I mean, this is volatile right now. Price is crazy. Price is definitely crazy. Seconds for a 5-minute closure. You can see right here, 30 seconds. I'm on the 15 though. I really can't hang out on the 30. If we start breaking this low though, oh, man. when we want a wick, it gives all this shit. When you don't want, and then when you wait on a wick as well, sometimes it just flies. Like I just wanted a nice little retest, break of the high, but I'm glad it didn't get me in right here. That's why I set the buy stop above the previous, because you'd been real sad sending this for no reason when it didn't break the previous high yet. So, like I said, it can do all this. It can get me in on this candle. I ain't using no 105 pip stop loss. So whatever it gets me in at, I got about 20, 25. That's about as much as I can sit in with as many accounts as I have running. There's no point. Live to fight another day. It's going, man. See though, the way this thing's moving, it might be quick. And Brandon, what's so crazy is, man, I'm over here on TRADECOPIA where I have all my accounts. I gotta take profit set for 30 away because I don't want to mess up the consistency. But damn, I don't want to hit the take profit in 5 seconds. So that's also another thing you gotta think about. It's all these damn rules, bro. It's something. It's something. If you look at the 5 minutes, though, 5 minutes bone rushing up. So 117 pip stop loss right now. Let's see. Let's see. Still 50 pips away from entry. Y'all see how quickly these 5-minute candles are moving though, man. It's moving a lot. This thing made a quick little 16 pip bottom wick, then pushed up for 56, all in the last 3 minutes. And it can be coming right down as this candle closed back under all this to the left. So we'll see. Come on, man. What we doing? My phone died. Nah, yeah, I think you must have caught what I said, but yeah, bro, if you put your take profit too close and it gets hit within 3 seconds, you can't do nothing about that. But then you got to keep consistency rule in mind, and it's like that's another thing you got to think about. So what I actually did was I went ahead and put a little $5,000 in a personal account, and I'm copying that as my main account, so I can at least, act as if I would act if I were trading my live funds. So I just put a little small $5,000 in the personal to copy off of. So that's my leader account. Ain't no rules with the personal. Lower lot size. Do what you do. I'm using my normal lot size, which I already was going down this week technically anyway. But I'm trading the 2. And if I see minus 20, that's still only minus 400. Like, I ain't really tripping about that. Use your discretion. It is low. Man, I just got a $28,000 payout. $5,000 is low. Comparatively speaking. I feel like I just got it. That was 2 weeks ago. I'm ready to get another. With all these accounts going, let's see. 22, 23, 1 per dia account, 24, 20. I got 25 accounts running right now. So that's why I'm like, shit, I might as well go lower risk, because like it ain't no point in going balls to the wall every single trade on 25 accounts at once. Like, I'm sure there's a better method to that madness anyway, like trading 12 and 13 or 10, 10, 5 or whatever. But as of right now, I'm going a little bit lower risk on 25 accounts at one time. That's what I'm doing. If this candle closes below this support right here, that's not bad. The same support that I had marked off that hit right here and went up. I'm gonna see what it looked like. But if it just respects it, then ain't nothing you can do about it still. But if it closes under though, I don't think about it. This is 941. If it closes respecting it though, this is still valid. If it closes under here, okay, yeah, I'm gonna delete this just because this is now 150 pips away. Flatten off. Exit. Oh, this is insanity though. Look at this, man. What are we doing? What are we doing? I got a pip or 2 away from entry. Literally. 2 pips away from entry. Thank God I didn't get in. I didn't want to fall out 190. And part of me is like, I take this little sell. Because if it breaks here, yes, you got 30-minute support right there and a 15-minute support right there. But all that is the 1 hour flipping. And if this flips, it's likely going to come down even more. After breaking these highs, grabbing this liquidity to the upside, the 4 hour is still bearish. All this is the top wick. The daily is still bearish. Come on, man. But if it just rejects it, 2 minutes, 24 seconds. I got one little subscriber at 390. Let me get 391. Let me get 391. This is kind of wild, though. This is very wild. Look how much we're pulling back and protecting. 5 minute just flip. What is going on here? This 15-minute closes bearish under here. 5-minute closes bearish under here. Can it fill this wick, or at least some of it? But if it closes respecting this like it did here, 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 I don't know about that. 35 seconds. And I'm supposed to be going to the office right now. But no. Man, I'm thinking about the break of this week right there, though. After rejecting out again, 30-minute candle still open, 1 hour candle. You just got a resistance right here. And then that. I'll see. Still respecting the same support right here. Still respecting the same support. Like I said, I think that if it breaks this high after rejecting the way it did right there, I think it's gonna go up. But I mean, that's such a small range. I'm playing that range right there. Brandon, Roger, put it in the chat, bro. What's the next move? We just been pinballing, bro. If you want to be 100, like, we ain't done nothing. I think still the buy is still valid. Because I'm not too, let's see, yeah, on the break of that weak bearish high that potentially give me something. I still like the break of this high up here. I might add that back. Just anticipating that after it grabbed all that liquidity, it should still go up. I'ma have it still. Brandon, did you get on that break of that high? Because once that candle came down to get all this liquidity down here, man, if it flips back up and re-breaks this high, bro, we should be good to go. Brandon, you should be up a smooth 30, 40 right now. So like my idea on the break of that weak 5 minute high was pretty solid. I just didn't want to try to squeeze in this little range right here. Like, this is real tight right here. Real tight. So if you broke right there, you obviously would have taken profit up here, but you could have rejected here, could have rejected there. So good move. And I don't even know if that was 10 seconds. 42 pips. How long was it though? Had to be right around 10 seconds. That shit be moving so fast, bro. 26 seconds. All right, my move gonna be on the break of this high still at the 9:30 candle closure outside of the range. This candle came all the way down and grabbed all these orders. Yeah, I still think this is a good, valid move, honestly. Let's see. It's crazy how it looks like it's so close, but it's still 35, 36 pips away. But yeah, so it respected here. I'll be calling moves out all the time now. I'll take it all like that. That ain't what it's about. It's like your anticipation still matters. So this candle closed respecting. This candle was a weak bearish high. This candle came up, broke it at a time of volume. So that's why I'm not surprised that it has come up. The safer move would be to just wait on the re-break of the 30 minute. So we'll see if it does it. We'll definitely see if it does it. I'm trying to get out of here though. I'll be walking to the office a little late, but oh, good. I ain't missing nothing but a couple introductions. I still like it though. I just wanted a cleaner closer than that. But the 30-minute candle still looks good based on this candle closed bullish, strong. This candle came all the way down here, did not break this low, and still respecting. If it re-breaks this high at 9:30 candle, still like it. Still like it. We'll see. Let me make sure all my accounts are good and ready to go. Boom. Copy traded. All of them are good to go. Yeah. All right. Brandon, are you taking another one on these? On this? Let's see. 42 pips. You made 420. Trying to get another 25, 30 on a. Let's see. So we got 10 seconds until this 5-minute closure. I'm anticipating the next 5 will be the one to go ahead and probably activate me. I'm really not trying to be here at 9:57, 9:58. We'll see. No bottom wick on the 5, so be careful. It got close to my entry. It flipped again, but it did not break the high yet. It's about to, though. No 5-minute bottom wick. So I probably will use that as my stop, honestly. Let's see if it'll break it. Damn, it's flirting with it.
Stop filled.
All right, got me in. Drag this down here. Drag this up here. Let's see. I'm gonna restart it just for good measure. No, man. Let's see.
Order stop filled.
That's so ass. I'm gonna re-add it if it breaks the high again. That's so fucking stupid, man. Waited all that time. I'm gonna re-add it though. If it re-breaks the high, I'm gonna re-add it. Ah, leave, bruh. I'd be so sick of taking that stupid ass first loss. Ain't nothing but a flip though. Still gonna try my hand at it. Just had no bottom wick on a 5-minute. So I'm gonna just take a re-entry. So annoying, yo. But it's all good. First little entry, get stopped out. Second little entry, re-enter. So let me pull this back up. I know I didn't wait all this time for no damn loss. So let's see. I'm gonna take a second chance at it on the re-break again. And that's why I be talking about Roger, how you can like cut half and then hold the rest, but it's all good. Replay my theme music. All right, let's see if I can get this second entry. Damn it.
Order stop filled.
I'm in again. Oh my gosh. I see like 20 real fast. I didn't take anything though. Come on now. Push. Push up. I seen 20 in like 2 seconds. I couldn't do anything about it. Come on now. Oh, don't do me dirty after seeing 20, 25. I seen like 20. But I seen it in like 2 seconds. So I couldn't have done nothing if I wanted to. All right, let's see. Re-break, re-break. Let's see, are we running into anything over here? Not really. We broke this high. Should go. Come on now. Come on now. I'm gonna restart my theme music. I need one more good break. Come on. Come on. I better not, man. After seeing two. Come on now. Finish the move out. Bruh. What is holding this up? Down like 5 or 6. But damn. Come on now. I'm mad I ain't still in my original position. Because I'm down for nothing. When it's just fluctuating. Let's see. 5-minute candle's about to close in 5 seconds. Need this candle to go ahead and make the move. The next candle go ahead and make the move. 4 seconds, 3. I don't need a down wick on the 5. I need that bitch to explode up. Be careful with this. 5-minute candle just open right here. When this candle flips, it should be good to go up. If it just makes a bottom wick though, that's a wrap, chat. But it closed above here, so it should be good. I slick want to throw another entry on the break this high because now it's about to fill this wick potentially. But I ain't gonna do that right now. Come on. What we doing, bro? I'm down like 7, 10. Bro. Come on, man. Once it re-breaks this high, we should be good. I'll probably move my stop loss up to here, I think. But if it re-breaks that low again, bro, I do not like it. I can't lie to y'all. If it re-breaks the low again. If it re-breaks the low again, it's probably going to come on down and just fucking hit the stop. Come on, man. I'll probably close a little bit of it. Fuck me. Come on. Don't hit the full stop. Come on. Flip up. Flip up. Flip up. Flip up. Flip up. There we go. Flip up. Come on. What are we doing, man? Flip up. It's a reason it's getting held up here, bro. Damn, I want to sit in this and wait. I just, because the 1 hour's about to close and it's about to close bullish as hell. And I don't want to have to take a loss just because I can't sit in the pullback. I'm doing what I can't do it, bro. I want to move my stops because I think it's about to keep going up at the 1 hour closure, but I just can't risk sitting in whatever drawdown that entails. Even though it's likely going to continue, even if it stops me out down here, but I just can't sit in it. Damn, man. Damn it. And that's the game you play when you risk a good amount. It's like the real analysis is, man, you should be good down into like here for real. Maybe I'll cut half if it breaks that and leave some running. Maybe that. It's like this should really be down here, bro. Like it should be way down there. I just can't sit in that shit. All right, it's flipping up. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we can finish it on out. I'm up. 21. Boom.
Order filled.
Damn! It! I'm about to go to the office, y'all. This pissed me off today. So this 5-minute candle closed above right here. And then it just simply made a bottom wick down. I just didn't expect it to, damn, have all this volume to the downside. Let's see. What did I make today? Same idea. That just took 5 minutes, 48 seconds. It felt like a long time, but It wasn't for real. Bruh. Why did these accounts not copy? That's what I want to know. Target fit. Cool. Well, it's 10. And I don't know why Daryl, are you having problems with copying on these accounts, bro? Like, for some reason, these accounts did not copy on my second trade. And I do not know why. It would be nice to know why. Part of me want to damn take the next 1 hour candle. Just because it's still clean range to the left. Let me see. Let's see. 100. Which ones are those? Let's see. FFF. Disconnect. Reconnect. All right. Man, that's so annoying though. I took a loss for no reason. This doesn't look bad to continue. That plus 1,000. Man. I hate I just took a loss on that for nothing. What's the max for it? Let's see. It still looks good to go up, no lie. I get a lower wick. I still might, I might get back in. I might re-enter. Closure outside the range. Get a bottom wick down or somewhere in here. Re-break up the high. Anticipating that it's going to come up into here. Brandon, you done for today. Enjoy. I'm not out for sure. Maybe. Brandon, you so used to seeing those higher lot sizes that little two probably didn't do nothing for you. Let's see. I do not know why this thing did not copy, and that's really annoying me that it didn't, honestly. 3 times 2. That don't make sense. I love the damn copier, but man, like, bro, I took one little loss and then one little W, and that's should just be about break even on every account. A little up. I'm up 364, 189. I mean, everything helps. Everything helps. Damn, come on now. Roger, what you at? B2 minus $6.48. I lost 31, then made 31. Same shit. So how much I make over here? Damn, I hate that shit. I hate when they do that. I hate when they do that. Don't like want to get this bottom wick. Damn, that's so annoying, bro. Why is it not working? Girl ain't even here no more. But yeah, as y'all know, ideas there more times than not. Just had to get a small bottom wick. Got stopped out right here on the first entry. So quick explanation of the trade, and it's so much easier said than done after it plays out, of course. But let's see. It's like a simple break of this high. Anticipating price to come on up into here. But that pissed me off. Because now I'm down on the account for no reason. No reason. Oh, I know what might happen. No, I don't. I keep trying to justify what I think happened, but it don't be that. I just do not know why I lost it. It's really throwing me for a loop. Roger, you still here? I see. Damn, that's annoying, bro. That shit's so annoying. I'm kind of hot about that shit. Anyway, for what it's worth, go ahead and just mark it up still. Image. Boom. 30-minute. Boom. Let's see. Best seen on the 30-minute, 9:30 volume. Time entered on break of previous 30-minute high. Let's see, on 30-minute, 9:30 volume time, entered on break of previous 30-minute high, used 5-minute no wick entry candle as the stop, and price came to stop my original entry out by 3 pips. Re-entered on re-break of high and was able to secure 30. Yeah, best seen on the 30-minute candle. This candle closed kind of at this resistance, but once this candle came down and grabbed all this liquidity to the downside, once it re-broke this high, I anticipated that we would not only fill these wicks right here, but we would also continue, which we did. Didn't have much of a stop loss, so I used the 5-minute entry candle as my stop loss, and unfortunately that is a candle that came down and wicked me out by like maybe 2-3 pips. Oh well, that's what it was. Got back in on this high, saw 20, came back down close again to the stop, so price was definitely playing around a little bit, and then finally made its move on up. So from the original entry, price did go ahead and move 100 pips now. So so like I said, it's a bit tough just because you got to kind of understand that like you're trading with very high size according to what you probably should be trading with dependent. So if you're going to do that, you do have to go ahead and be okay with taking that minus 30 instead of, because that minus 30 could have went minus 40, minus 50, minus 60. Now your whole account blown. At the end of the day, I should be up across all accounts, albeit very small, 364, 189, 348, 139. These are, I don't know what the hell happened here, but it is what it is. So yeah, you should be up, you know, anyway, but it's just, it's annoying. It's annoying. Ain't much to do about it. No big deal though. I'm gonna see what this 15-minute candle close is like, because if this candle just made a bottom wick and you have a weak 5-minute candle like that, and you get the next candle that wicks down, that might be some potential there on a 15-minute wick fill and potential continuation. But I ain't gonna force it though. I'm here till 10, 15. 15-minute just made a bottom wick. This 5-minute is closing very weak bearish. If I got a bottom wick to either break this high or a bullish high, either one, that's also a decent entry if you get a bottom wick. So I got 1 minute 45 seconds. If I see what I like, I'll try my hand. If I don't, that's my day. Damn, that's annoying. I gotta do this math to see how much I can make. Let's see. On these. 561, so need about 26 pips, 25 pips on the 2. Let's see what we can do. Damn, that's some BS, man. That's gonna make me mad all day. That's gonna make me annoyed all day. Now we want to break this high after flipping down. The range is getting a little tight. It's a little tight. If it can close a little lower, that'd be different. What we want to do, what we want to do. Don't like this closure. A weak bearish closure or weak bullish closure. Roger, I don't know about this one, brother. Just with how this candle closed. So annoying. So annoying. Because you got this candle closing like this, which means the 5 minute is closing like this. So it just hit a 5 minute resistance, which can come down. Yeah. Yeah. Not mad, not mad. Just gotta get this account out the fucking gutter for no reason. But all good. All good, all good, all good. I'll see what this 5 minute candle closes like, I guess. If like you get a 5 minute close, well, I guess I don't want to force nothing. But if this 5 minute candle closes above this resistance right here, it might be okay to continue up. But at that point, you still just trying to force it. Local news. I'm not sure if Top One allows people to trade in South Africa. My man in the chat. I'm not sure, honestly. I'm not sure. Don't. Well, that looks like that's it for me. I'm looking at the 5 minute over here trying to make up potential moves in my head, and like this is not bad on a break of that low to fill this wick right here. But it's just like, man, at what cost? Because you got all these candles that closed outside the range. 1 hour close bullish, 30-minute close bullish, 15 minutes closing bullish. 5-minute candles are closing bearish to potentially turn around. But I'm about to call it, going to the office. So I'll be back on tomorrow. Like I said, one good trade, basically, one good idea. Just, it was what it was. Took one loss and one win. So I'll be back on tomorrow. Y'all be easy.